Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you get super fast skin whitening, glowing skin naturally, super fast with very simple ingredients at home. It's skin whitening, get spotless skin and get even toned skin. If you do have dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation or suntan on your skin and you want to get rid of this and you want to whiten your skin tone naturally and you want to get milky fair skin without any side effects with all natural ingredients at home, this magical remedy gives an instant results and it's permanent as well, so you can whiten your skin tone up to one shade from first use. And my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective and super working. The first ingredient we need for this magical remedy is 1 tomato, and we need to shred the tomato like so. After shredding the tomato, we need to strain it in a clean mixing bowl. Place a strainer and strain the tomato to get the fresh tomato juice. And we get the fresh tomato juice. Now we need to add the rest of the ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour, and cornstarch is super effective in whitening skin tone naturally. Add 1 teaspoon and mix well the ingredients. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin and leave it to dry out completely, and then rinse it with lukewarm water. And my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use, whitening the skin tone naturally. Use it 3 times weekly to achieve the best result ever.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.